Ever wondered how a photo of food can turn into detailed, realistic, step-by-step cooking instructions? Let's dive into the world of AI and culinary creativity. AI technology analyzes food photos to recognize ingredients and understand cooking techniques. It then generates step-by-step instructions, making the process easy and engaging. The AI uses advanced algorithms to convert a simple food image into detailed recipes with cooking times and professional photos. This is achieved by analyzing the dish's composition and ingredients. Imagine uploading an image of your favorite dish and within seconds receiving a personalized recipe with step-by-step instructions. The AI cooking video generator creates engaging tutorials using narration and visual transitions. These tools are not just for food enthusiasts, but also cater to dietary preferences, transforming ingredients or cravings into personalized recipes that make cooking an adventure with Recipify. The AI can generate between 8 step-by-step cooking images from any uploaded food photo, offering a practical guide for both beginners and experienced cooks. With the power of AI in generating realistic and personalized recipes, cooking can be more accessible and enjoyable. It bridges the gap between inspiration and execution with detailed instructions. So next time you see a dish that catches your eye, remember, AI can turn it into a step-by-step recipe. What's the first dish you'd like to recreate? Let us know in the comments.